Making money online has been an issue over the years with people coming up online on a daily basis, especially with newbies coming up online, and they have this issue like, okay, how do I make money online? Where do I start? And the truth is that if you don't have money in your pocket, you can actually make money online. So that is why today I'll be reviewing to us a site that can actually make us 1,000 naira every 1 hour. So if you can put in the work and everything, you're able to get your capital in order to start making good and cool cash online. So my name is Invest Investor is here, and today I'll be showing us how to make 1 hour $1,000. Oh, I'm sorry, not $1,000, 1,000 naira every 1 hour online. So if you know you're new to my channel, you're just got started, you're just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and also kindly click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. And also along the video, if you see you like the video, kindly click on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can share this video to a lot of persons out there. And please kindly don't skip this video, kindly stay to the end of the video so I'll show you how all this work and how to actually make the 1,000 naira every 1 hour. Yes. So with that being said, let's go to my laptop where I will show us how to do this. Yeah, the name of the website I'll be showing us is called Naira Workers, and I don't know if you've heard about Pico Workers. This is very similar to Pico Workers, but we know that this is a Nigerian-owned website, and it's very easy for you to do transaction, withdrawing and everything is very easy. So that is why I recommend this Naira Workers. Naira Workers is the name of the site, and please don't just dive into going to Naira Workers. I've already told you the name. Listen to me from the beginning to the end so I can put you through on how to go about this, because the truth is, a lot of people just hear about the website Naira Workers and they just start going to the website and they feel, okay, let's get things done, let's do it. Or so. No, that is not just it. I've shown you the website, fine, but kindly don't just go into the website and say, okay, I've known it and I want to start doing stuff in it by myself. No, don't do that. Just follow me through the video and I'll show you how to work on this particular platform. The first thing you do when you get to Google Workers, when you get to Naira Workers, is for you to log in or register. Yes, register if you don't have an account, or log in if you don't have an account. So I won't be registering now, so it's left for you to figure out how to register and the rest. So it's very, very pretty easy. It's not just... So look at it and they said small gigs and big results. So what is this website all about? What is Naira Workers all about? What do they do? This is a website that offers small tax, yes, little tax, and they bring people to do it. And now that little tax can make good money, yes, serious money. It's not just for you to go to the website and make little tax. You can actually withdraw your money in Nigeria to your Nigeria bank account. So see why this is very, very interesting, right? So just go down. Okay, you see there are two parts of this Naira Workers, and these Naira Workers have two parts, which is you have the business owners and you have the freelancers. Who are the business owners? Business owners are the people who are coming to place this advert for small tax to be done. Like you can say, okay, go to Facebook, any post, and or like my posts, go to YouTube, comment on my videos, things like that. So these are just micro tax you do, and they pay you 15 naira, 100 naira, like that. Combine this stuff together. It's very, very easy for you to make money with it. Just with your phone. You don't need to do any other things with your phone. So please, if you know you are liking my video along the like, kindly click on the like button so that the YouTube are going to share this video to a lot of persons out there, and a lot of persons will get to see what we are doing on this channel. So with that being said, the other part of Naira Workers is the freelancers. Who are the freelancers? The freelancers are me and you who go to this website to carry out tasks, who go to this website to fulfill tax. So by fulfilling tax on this website, what happens on this website when you fulfill tax is that you get paid for every tax being approved by the business owner. Yes, the business owner shows, okay, they've done this tax, after submitting your proof, evidence of tax completion, and the business owner says that you've done this tax. The business owner automatically mark it as complete and your money released to you. So that's why you see this website is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. You can see here, you can see the tax. You can see tax of 42 naira. You can see tax of 24 naira. You can see tax of 48 naira. So these are different tax. You can see what is a freelancer, select jobs you like, explore required tax, and deliver work and get paid. Very, very simple. What the business owner do? Business owner asks people to help them, and the next thing they do, they set the required tax and rate submitted tax. Yes, you can rate tax that you can rate tax. Yes. So you see here they have a referral program also. You can actually refer people to this program and make good money. It's not just a website to just do tasks. You can refer people to this website without doing any tasks. Refer people to this website and you make good cash also. So Naira Workers is one of the sites that have come out and it has been existing for a while now. So I'll urge you guys to go to Naira Workers and embark in a particular task. When you embark in a particular task, from there you start making good cash from the website. It's something that as a beginner you can use and start raising little income to some do your data, your internet and some other bills just to start doing other things online. So the truth is, this will not make you the money you're looking for online, but at least it can make you start from somewhere. That is just the main goal about this making money online, making money from online from home. This whole channel is making you to have a start from somewhere. Before you say you want to go into freelancing, at least you have the money for data to always be online to reply messages on this freelancing platform. Before you say you want to go into blogging, you have money to buy data, money to buy domain name and the rest. So with these Naira Workers, you can actually raise capital to start doing other ventures online. But the main goal is for you to come to these particular websites where they offer gigs, small gigs, and take advantage of them and start making your dough, start making your money. The general overview of this website is: come to this website. What are you looking for? Look for tasks that you know you can complete, and what you next you do, you just fulfill these tasks. After fulfilling that, you get paid and you cash out. Yes, very very simple. You don't have to do anything serious or anything different. So I'll come down now and say, okay, look at what they are showing us here. They say, okay, visit our website and sign up. This is just a small task that this person has asked from people. Come to my website, visit my website, and you see, and sign up. $42. So the next one is, okay, like and retweet the pinned tweet. So that just see the little tags, but this is something you can actually fulfill within minutes and seconds, and you are good to go. Like that, you can keep making money over the time. So since you've known this website now, all of you to go to this website, sign up on the website. Just sign up, do the necessary stuff you need to do to get started with them. Complete tasks, and make sure you complete these tasks wholeheartedly, because if you do this thing very very well, it can make you good money and help you to get started in the online world. So, but me, I'm more than like a past stage. I don't really do micro work like this because it's a micro work website. I don't really do that because I'm looking for the big buck. Big bucks. You hear me right? Yes, that's the main aim. So that's how I told you, start with this, get the little money you make, and you venture into other aspects of online. So as time goes on, I'll start bringing up how you can make this money online, things you can actually do, method you can use. That's what I'm actually doing this website, this platform. Teach you how to build websites, you know how to make money online, teach you how to get a skill, you know how to start making money online. So that is just it. This website actually touch about making money online, either with your skill or without your skill. So that is just it. So thank you for staying with me, and hope you learned a lot in this website from this particular tutorial. So what basically are we doing this website all about? Come to the website as a freelancer, and if you also have jobs, so okay, maybe you have a post on Facebook you want to promote, you just come to the website and list it that, okay fine, I want to promote this post, I want people to comment and like my post, and you see no more people comment and like my post, you now start making a post, getting traction on Facebook, and a lot of people start seeing this post, and your post is going to get viral. So that is why it is good again as a business owner. You can come and post and little money, and people will do this or task for you wholeheartedly. Thank you for watching this video, and have you subscribed? I don't think you subscribed. If you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now, and click on the notification button so you can notify anytime I drop a new video. And please don't leave this channel without liking my video. Come on, I put a lot of effort in this video. Just give that thumbs. It's nothing, no money required. Just for you to click that like button, and my video get like, and you do agree, you can share this video to a lot of person out there. And before you leave, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, because with that Telegram channel, with the dropping latest updates and things that you can do on the channel. Thanks for watching my video. My name is Sylvester, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much.